Yeah, hi Lauren. Here's your website. Now, to log in, you need to go to the address bar at the top and put /WP admin and hit enter. And that'll bring you to a login screen. In here, you put your username, which I will create for you, and it'll be on the email, and your passwords, and hit enter. That will bring you into the dashboard. Now the dashboard is pretty intuitive, I guess. If you want to do a blog, not sure. Let me see if you've got a blog on yours, which you can have if you want. We can add a blog page. Let me have a quick look. And it doesn't look like it, but we can add a blog page here if you want to start putting out some posts. So let's go back to here. So to add a post, you add them here. That's how to add a blog, and it's simply a matter of clicking Add New, and then it'll open up into a new page. You name the page, and then you start adding your content. Now, this is just like what you see is what you get editor. So you can just go in here and put test text, and you can edit that text from here by deciding what it is. Now I will add some extra type fields in here for you. So I'm going to pause the video for a second, add some extra fields, and then we'll start again on that. Okay, I've added some extra fields here, which is a font family, font size, underline, and color the background of your text, as you can see. So it's simply a matter of highlighting and choosing what you want. We want the Arial font size, make it larger. We can change the color of our text as well. It's background color, and where is color? Text color. I'll bring that down there for you as well. But so we can change the text color as well by highlighting and choosing the text color that we want. Another thing you can do is that you can choose a URL, as an address that you want text to link to, or even an image to. What you do there is let's go to the right place here. You highlight the text, and then you click this little link here, and you add your address in there, exactly what you want. Now, if you're linking within the site, so you might be linking to a page, about in here, leave it as is, and it will just go to that page. But if you're going to somewhere outside of your site, click Open a New Window, and what that means is that when someone clicks on that, a new tab will be opened in their browser, and it will open up there. And when they shut that down, they'll come back to your page. So you never want them to leave your page to do that. So if we wanted to add that, we simply just add text, and now you can see that that's been underlined, and that's a hyperlink now within the text. So as I said, you just name it as well, and from there you can preview the page. So if we wanted to preview this, I can click on here. It'll open another tab here. Excuse me, I'll just answer that. So here's our page, and you can see the title of the page is here, test page, and here's the text that I've put in here, which is a test text. And if we click on that, it will open up that link and bring us back to the main website. So that's how that all works. Now, if you want to insert an image into a post, you can click next to the text like that, or somewhere within the text area, and you just go to Add Media. Now, in Add Media, you'll see what files you have on here, and you can choose one of those, or you can add one as with any other program via your computer, which is here. So let's add one here. Click there, and we shall insert that into the post. Now, before doing that, you can choose the alignment. So it can be left, center, right, or no alignment. So we'll click left, and you can choose the size of it too. Or so we can use a medium-sized image there, aligned to the left. We can put some alternate text in there. So let's say you wanted to use this for Google, you might just put here AVA property or something along those lines, and that's what Google search to when you look in the images in Google, and put your description in as well. Then just insert into post, and you'll see that that is there aligned to the left. Again, we'll preview. Let's go to our preview. Do that again. Oh, I published it. Oops, I'll delete that in a second. So we'll preview again. There it is. And there's the image, the text, and the title of the page. Now you can see that hasn't added it to our menu. So to do that, you need to go into another area, and that is to your appearance and menus. This is the menu, the main menu, and you can see in here, I haven't saved it yet, so let's go back and I'll save that post now. So publish it. We'll refresh this to bring in the latest information. And view all. Oh, it was a post that I did. There we go, I'm confusing myself. I didn't make that a page, I made that a post. So let's do exactly the same thing as a page. I will go into all our posts. If you want to delete a page or a post, you just basically go in here and then click trash. It doesn't get rid of it totally. It's now sitting in your trash. So if you make a mistake and you delete something by mistake, you can go back in here and restore it, or you can delete it permanently. So I'm going to repeat the process again, but now in pages, so we can see it in pages. So we'll go to pages and choose all pages, and it will show what pages we actually have, which are here. So if you wanted to edit the page, you could click into this, or click edit, or click onto the title there. And you can edit this text in here. So you could add another row in there that you wanted. So click shift and do that, and then put it in there and add a bullet point to it via here. So I won't do it because we're not going to do that. You could colour the text or do anything you want within this area. So text colour, turn it to a beautiful pinky purple. And we don't have to save that. So that's where you can edit your text in this area here. So we won't save that, we'll just go to add a new page. We'll leave that page. And we'll do our test page again. So this is our test page. We will put in our test text. I can highlight that and add in the URL in here. So we'll go http:// AVA property. And we'll open it in a new link and add it. So now that's hyperlinked. We can add our image. Again, go here, add media. Choose our picture. Size our picture, so it's right. It's kept what we had before. It's still aligned to the left. It's still got everything in there, so we can just insert in here. There's our image. I'll publish that now. Go to menus, refresh, and there's our test page. So if I click that and add it to the menu, you'll see it pops in at the bottom. I can drag that anywhere in here I want. So if I wanted that under company profile and click save, and we refresh our page, you'll see that we'll have another menu item here. There it is there, test page. So it's quite a simple process to go through. Let's undo all of that. So we'll go back to here. Want to delete that. Open it up. I can also rename it. Oops, that doesn't have capitals. So I could do that and then click save and go back and look at it. there we go, it's all in caps anyway. So that's in the style sheet, it's all in caps. Let's go back to here. Where are we? Menus, there we go. So I'll delete that, remove, and save. That'll be gone from the menu. I want to delete the page that we just created, so all pages. Trash it, and then into my trash, which can be done if there's a lot of pages just by clicking that, which will empty the trash. So that's how to get around, add an image. You can hyperlink an image exactly the same way as we did the text. You just click on it and highlight the image and then hyperlink it as well. Very simple to use. If you want to create a user, so you just go into all users, and you can set, so I've got AV property in here, already set up as a user. I will go in and change the password on this for now, just a password, and then you can update it to what you want yourself. So if you scroll down, you'll see that here. It might not let me do it, so I'll do password 123 and password 123. When you do log in, if you could change that and update it to something a little bit more secure, it's sort of important that you do that. I'll update that user, and then I'll show you how to create a new user. So if you wanted to add a new user, you can click on here and just fill in the fields required and required. You can choose the role they have. So you've got people that just want to contribute, like they just want to put stuff on a post and stuff like that, but you don't want to give them full access as here, an author. And then you can have administrator for somebody that's actually going to run the site, create pages and do everything else like that. Hope that helps. Any questions, give me a call and I will clarify anything you need to have done. Hope that helps.